Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to give you an update on that little experiment I was doing with a container using inoculant on the peas and a container not using the inoculant on the peas, and give you the results of that little experiment. But before we go there, I want to let you know I have other types of videos on my channel. I have easy to prepare recipes, product reviews, meditation videos, and other videos on how to grow a variety of vegetables in containers. So come on, let's go check on the progress of that little experiment. Okay, today's the 22nd and I planted these on the 8th. All the seeds have germinated at this point and they're looking pretty good, but I noticed that the bucket, which is this one right here, that had the inoculant in it, two of the seeds got off to a slow start. So I think that's interesting, considering the inoculant is supposed to help in the overall germination and health of the peas and beans. So I'm thinking at this point that there's no real advantage to using inoculant, with a caveat. I think the fact that this is in a container and I'm using potting mix, which has a lot of additional, I would say, amendments in it, that it was enough to germinate without the inoculant. And I'm going to focus you on this bucket. Now this is my control bucket, which does not have any inoculant, and these peas look slightly bigger and off to a better start. It's very interesting. Now that's not to say that if you grow your beans and peas in ground that the inoculant won't benefit you. It could be that the inoculant helps if you're in poor soil, but again, this is potting mix, which is pretty rich in a lot of organic material, so that may be enough for these peas, even though the manufacturer of these peas recommended an inoculant. On a closer look. Now this is my control pot. There's no inoculant. All 13 seedlings came up, and they're looking pretty good. Here's the bucket that I use the inoculant, and these seeds are looking fairly good. There's two in the back that got off to a slow start, these two right here, but they're coming up. Now I'm going to keep you posted on these as they grow and produce peas, but at this point I don't see any I don't know, any difference between using the inoculant to make anything better in the germination part anyway. I hope you found that side-by-side comparison interesting. I know I did. I'll give you updates either in separate videos about the peas, or I'll give you updates when I do my garden tours throughout the summer. If you like that video, give the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye-bye.